of the title Strong Coffee and why?
Oh my goodness, that is so apt. Yes, it was like Strong Coffee working with Brad. Every day was a wake-up call. Brad Bird is the director every animation student always would want to work with. At age 14, Brad Bird willingly walked into a room with Milt Kahl and showed him his early animation. I mean, talk about guts. Unreal.
Why?
Oh my God. Because Milt Kahl was scary, man! Animation is a lot like puppeteering. In the computer, the animators, we work with digital puppets, and physical puppets are very similar to that. Really, puppeteering, when you think of it, is kind of anything. A little kid maybe playing with a toy on their bed, that's puppeteering. It's the same thing that we do every day. So, yeah, I'd say there's similarities.